They're like a Tootsie Roll.
Yeah, they were tiny.
How funny. I should have known.
Think I'm gonna get,
I
well,
think that's cheaper.
You know, everything's more money and shrunk down. Right. 85 cents for one usage. I found these Kit Kat bars that were
yeah,
dark chocolate.
I think I'm gonna get
with,
this, cotton
strawberry, you know.
I'm gonna get this
They're
cotton
different.
candy bubble
And
gum.
then I never found them again in the store, but I can buy them
And-
online. Like Amazon, I think, had them. What's weird is the first
Yeah.
time I bought them,
I'll give you a
I
full
got like
haul
20 or
in the car.
24, and it was like $1 a piece, which was great deal.
I'm gonna
Then the
go,
next
I'll be
time I
right
tried to
back,
buy 'em,
and
they
I'll
were
give you a
more
haul
money,
in the
so
car.
They know that they're addictive.
Guys, so, my haul is I got this lip gloss, and I got this clear one, and then I got, wait, let me grab the other one. Dang it. I gotta do this with one hand. I got these push pop ones. They're 3 different flavors. And then, I don't know why I turned into a different accent. I got this cotton candy bubble yum. That's my haul, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay for the whole video. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.